Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall font settings to default on Windows 10 PC or laptops. So guys, if you want to reinstall font settings to default on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start, type here Control Panel. After click on Control Panel. And after click on Fonts. After click on Font Settings. Click on Restart Default Font Settings. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to restart font settings to default on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.